Hello everyone, this is WackyFlip8 and today I have another tutorial for you, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Skyblock Challenge 2.1. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google Skyblock, Skyblock, I can't talk today, Skyblock Survival. I said it. And then you'll need to go to the Minecraft Minute and then press try it for yourself. And it'll take you to this page, so you need to scroll down and click on download Skyblock 2.1, and it is an ad fly, so you go to the top right and you wait 5 seconds and then you press skip ad. So I'm going to wait for it. Download. I don't need this advertisement. Save. You go to view downloads. I've installed it before. Just want to give you guys a tutorial. My computer has not been running too fast lately. It's probably because I don't know. I honestly don't know. So I'm going to open that up. And you're going to go to your dock and type in %appdata%.minecraft, and then you go to saves, and for the Mac you would drag that in there, and for the PC you would drag Skyblock 2.1. So let's see if it worked. There we go. Skyblock 2.1. You can see it right there. So that's about it. Thank y'all for watching. Go have fun with Skyblock Survival. So yeah, goodbye.